Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a legendary machine that's still rolling strong in limited service, the 2025 Type 74 main battle tank. While it may not be the latest or most high-tech tank on the battlefield, the Type 74 holds a unique place in military history and continues to earn respect for its solid performance and reliable design. Built during the Cold War by Japan, it was designed to suit the country's mountainous terrain and rapid response needs. Now, decades later, it remains a symbol of enduring engineering and practical functionality. From the outside, the Type 74 strikes a classic and purposeful appearance. Its low-slung profile and angular turret are hallmarks of the design philosophies of its era, yet they still lend it a sleek and intimidating look today. The chassis features a sloped armor design that was quite forward-thinking at the time, intended to deflect incoming rounds rather than absorb them. Though relatively lightweight compared to modern tanks, the Type 74 has been modified over the years with features such as infrared searchlights and optional explosive reactive armor panels to improve its defensive capabilities. The main armament is a 105mm rifled gun, similar to what you'd find on many Western tanks of the same generation. While it lacks the punch of newer smoothbore cannons, it remains capable in supporting infantry and engaging light to medium armored vehicles. Moving. Inside, the interior of the Type 74 is basic and cramped, with just enough room for its four-man crew to operate effectively. The driver, gunner, loader, and commander each have designated stations, and most of the controls are analog. There's a certain charm to its simplicity. Everything is straightforward, and there's no over-reliance on digital systems. For a vehicle designed in the 1970s, it's a cockpit that still feels functional, even if it's nowhere near as comfortable or advanced as modern counterparts. Updates over time have added improved communication gear, but the manual loading and targeting remain very much in the old-school tradition. In terms of performance, the Type 74 still surprises many with its agility and adaptability. Powered by a Mitsubishi 10-cylinder diesel engine producing around 720 horsepower, it can reach a top road speed of 53 km/h, which is respectable for its weight class. Its real edge, however, comes from its Hydropneumatic suspension system. This allows the tank to kneel forward or backward, lean to the sides, and adjust its ride height. Not only does this provide tactical advantages when taking firing positions, but it also improves off-road handling, a key factor given Japan's mountainous landscape. Despite its age, the tank can navigate rugged terrain with competence and stability. When it comes to safety, the Type 74 shows both strengths and limitations. The armor is not up to modern composite or reactive standards without upgrades, which limits its survivability against newer kinetic or tandem charge threats. However, it includes some essential safety features like internal fire suppression systems and separated ammunition storage to help protect the crew in case of a hit. These additions were innovative for their time and still offer some peace of mind for operators today. One of the most unique aspects of the Type 74 is its mechanical reliability and maintainability. With fewer electronic systems, there are fewer points of failure, making it easier to repair and maintain in the field. Its relatively low weight also makes it more transportable and fuel-efficient than newer, heavier MBTs. The adjustable suspension system continues to be a standout feature, giving it unmatched flexibility in positioning and defense. As of 2025, the Type 74 is available in limited quantities on the second-hand or export market, primarily for training purposes or collectors. Prices for refurbished units range from $1.2 to $1.5 million depending on the level of modernization and condition. This makes it a cost-effective platform for countries needing a reliable armored vehicle without the steep investment of newer models. In conclusion, while the Type 74 is certainly showing its age, it remains a remarkable example of thoughtful engineering. It's not designed to compete with the latest battle tanks, but in its role and price category, it holds its own. For enthusiasts, historians, and even some military operators, the 2025 Type 74 continues to represent a practical, reliable, and uniquely Japanese approach to armored warfare. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.